Hi, welcome to Wallace Branch Craft Time, and this week we are going to be doing a special St. Patrick's Day craft. Okay, so for this craft you're going to need a sheet of green construction paper that you're going to cut out a 4-leaf clover on. You're going to need a hole puncher or just a pair of scissors, googly eyes, a glue stick, string or yarn, scissors, and a marker. Okay, so to start out, you're gonna cut out your 4-leaf clover out of the paper that you have. When honestly, you can do it in whatever color you want, but green is like the natural color, so that's what I did. Okay, after you have that, you're going to need 2 googly eyes, or you could just draw the eyes on, either way. Alright, once you have those googly eyes, you're going to align them wherever you know you're going to want them, like on the clover. Okay. Once you have them lined up, you're going to go ahead and get your glue stick. Alrighty, and then just go ahead and draw on your smile while you're at it. There you go. Okay. Or you can do a different type of expression if you want. I did a smile because that's cool, but you could do a frowny face or a mad face or whatever. Alright, so now that you've got the features on it, which feel free to add more if you want. I normally just do a smiley face on mine because I think that they're cute and simple, but you could always go all out with like makeup and whatever else. Okay, now you're going to take your 4-leaf clover and you're going to go to the top of it instead and put our string through there. But as you can see, like on this one, you put the hole at the top, like right above the eyes. Okay, so now that you have your hole cut out, you're going to get the string. Make it however long you want it. Cut the string once you have the length. Thread the string through the hole at the top. And then you're going to trim off those little ends that are left. And once you have that, bam, there you go. You got your St. Patrick's Day ornament. And you can make as many of those as you want, really, as long as you have enough paper and string for it. And yeah, alright, I hope you guys have a great St. Patrick's Day, and yeah, just have a good week. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.